Welcome to Car Garage, where we bring you the latest car reviews, deep dives into features, and all things automotive from around the world. The 2026 Jaguar Mk1 is a stunning reimagining of the classic sedan, combining timeless British luxury with the modern innovations drivers expect today. It represents Jaguar's push into a new era of sophistication, performance, and intelligent technology. With a focus on craftsmanship, driving dynamics, and advanced connectivity, the Mk1 stands as a bold entry in the premium midsize sedan segment. Built on Jaguar's latest lightweight aluminum platform, the Mk1 offers a near-perfect weight distribution, which translates to a beautifully balanced ride and superior handling on all types of roads. Under the hood, the 2026 Mk1 is powered by a turbocharged 30-liter inline six-cylinder engine that is integrated with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This advanced powertrain generates around 375 horsepower and delivers quick, smooth acceleration. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Mk1 offers a seamless driving experience whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets. Rear-wheel drive is standard, delivering a traditional sporty feel, while all-wheel drive is optional for those who require enhanced grip and control in varying road and weather conditions. The suspension system of the Mk1 has been finely tuned to provide both comfort and agility. It features adaptive damping technology, which automatically adjusts to the road conditions and driving style. Drivers can choose from different modes, including Comfort, Dynamic, Eco, and Individual, allowing for a customizable experience behind the wheel. Whether you are enjoying a relaxed drive or pushing the car through sharp corners, the Mk1 remains composed and responsive at all times. Design is another area where the 2026 Jaguar Mk1 truly shines. The exterior combines elegance and performance with sleek flowing lines, a long hood, and short rear deck that emphasize its athletic stance. The bold front grille is flanked by ultra-slim LED pixel headlights with dynamic indicators that give the car a distinctive appearance day or night. At the rear, you will find slender LED taillights integrated with a subtle spoiler and dual exhaust outlets that hint at the performance within. Wheel options range from 18 to 21 inches, allowing buyers to tailor the look to their taste. Inside the cabin, the Mk1 offers a luxurious and high-tech environment that blends traditional Jaguar craftsmanship with modern innovation. Premium materials, such as quilted leather, natural wood, and satin metallic accents are used throughout. The seats are designed for maximum comfort with 16-way power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and massage functions available for front occupants. Rear passengers also enjoy ample legroom and optional climate control settings for added convenience. At the center of the dashboard is a curved 115-inch OLED touchscreen that runs the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system. It is responsive, easy to use, and supports over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The interface includes navigation, media, connectivity, and vehicle settings, all accessible through a clean, intuitive layout. A separate 12-inch digital instrument cluster provides vital driving information and can be customized to show maps, performance data, or traditional gauges. Technology continues with a full suite of driver assistance features. The 2026 Mk1 includes adaptive cruise control lane, keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree surround camera. An available head-up display projects key information onto the windshield so you can keep your eyes on the road. A new driver attention monitor can detect fatigue or distraction and provide timely alerts, while advanced sensors help reduce the risk of collisions in complex traffic situations. Sound and comfort are enhanced with a Meridian surround sound system, delivering crystal-clear audio throughout the cabin. Active noise cancellation technology ensures a quiet, refined atmosphere, while dual-zone or available tri-zone climate control helps maintain ideal temperatures for all passengers. Ambient lighting with multiple color options adds to the personalized feel and makes nighttime driving even more pleasant. In terms of practicality, the 2026 Jaguar Mk1 provides generous trunk space along with a hands-free power lift gate. The rear seats fold down in a 40-20-40 split to accommodate larger items when needed. Additional storage bins, cup holders, and charging ports throughout the cabin make the Mk1 well-suited for both daily commutes and long road trips. Efficiency has also been considered in the development of this vehicle. The mild hybrid system helps reduce fuel consumption and emissions by capturing energy during braking and using it to assist acceleration. This not only improves performance but also lowers running costs and environmental impact. Jaguar has hinted that a plug-in hybrid and all-electric version may follow in the near future as the brand continues its journey toward electrification. The 2026 Jaguar Mk1 is a perfect blend of classic-style modern luxury and dynamic performance. It offers everything expected of a premium sedan, and more, making it a compelling choice for drivers who value comfort, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you are a longtime Jaguar fan or new to the brand, the Mk1 delivers an experience that is both exhilarating and refined. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews just like this one, make sure to subscribe to Car Garage today.